Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to redeem a CapCut Pro code to unlock all premium editing features instantly. First, ensure you are logged into your workspace. If you are new to the platform, click the Sign Up menu and create an account using your Google, TikTok, or Facebook credentials, or link it directly through your CapCut mobile app. Once logged in, there are two simple ways to input your code. The first method is inside the desktop app application. Open CapCut on your computer and look for the Join Pro button on the interface dashboard. Clicking this often reveals promotional fields or direct discount hooks if they are currently active for your regional account profile. If you do not see a voucher input area inside the app layout, do not worry. Simply open your web browser, navigate to CapCut.com, and sign in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the browser page and select the Redeem Code link from the drop-down options. Type or paste your premium redemption coupon directly into the input text box, accept the platform license terms, and hit the Redeem button to instantly activate your Pro subscription upgrade. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.